Hi guys, it's Denise and I'm here again for my last video for my Mother's Day series, and it's regarding this brown smoky eye that's great for when you go out on Mother's Day, for dinner, for dates, or for every day. So it's actually super easy, and I used the Soft Glam palette by Anastasia. So if you wanna see more, keep on watching. So I already did my face. Now we just have to do the eyes to make it faster. The first one I'm going to be putting on is the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion. So you want to use a primer for your eyes to make the colors look more vibrant and for the colors to stay. Put that all over your eyelid. The palette that we're going to be using today is the Anastasia Soft Glam palette, and you can see all the nice colors. The first one would be in your crease, and that would be a mix of orange soda and burnt orange. These two right here over your crease. So you just want to put like a wash of color in your crease. Next shadow I'm going to be using is Sienna. It's right over here. And I'm gonna put that in the actual crease, just over the flap. And again, using the same brush, just gonna lightly. The key to smoky eye is just basically blending. See how that color defined your eyes even more and brought out the shape of your eye. And if you find like there would be harsh lines, just use a clean brush like this and kind of shape it and clean it out. The next shadow I'm going to be using is Sultry, which is this gorgeous shade right here, and that is going to be in the lid. So make sure you just lightly tap it on. Okay, once you put that on and you see that there's again harsh lines, make sure you grab that same brush that you did earlier, which is this one here, and you can dip it in sienna or burnt orange and just lightly blend those two colors together. For the liner, I'm gonna be just using this black shade over here and just do a simple cat eye liner. Okay, now that you're done, next step is putting mascara on, and I'm going to be using the Voluminous Lash Paradise Mascara. And this is the waterproof version. And then I'm going to be putting falsies on off camera, and I'll be right back. Okay, so back to the eyes. I'm going to be repeating the same steps earlier underneath just to tie in the look. So again, orange soda and burnt orange with a pencil brush, and then sienna. I'm gonna be using the same mascara to do the bottom of my lashes. And for our highlight, I'm gonna be using shade over here to highlight the brow bone and the inner corners. And lastly, for the lips, I'm going to be using two products. One is Whirl from MAC, and the lipstick is from ColourPop in Times Square. And just set everything with a makeup setting spray. I'm using the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Set Spray. And that is the finished look. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, hit like and don't forget to subscribe. Happy Mother's Day to all mothers out there. Hope you enjoy the day and see you next time. Bye.